In this video, we will focus on how to use the large function in Excel. The large function in Excel is basically a function that helps you to extract the highest value from a column or from a list of values. So let's look at our situation here. So here you can see we have 5 students. And we have here a list of matching test scores from the students. You can see in this case, John scores a perfect score of 100. And what we want to do now is we want to figure out who is or who has the largest score, or at least what is the largest score. In this case, it is 100, but we want to extract this with the function. So how can we get the value in this cell here? Well, first of all, let's type in here equal, and then we type in large, open parentheses. And you can see now we get here the formula. So we need a few things. First of all, you can see here we need the array. So what is an array? The array is the list of values or the columns that we need to get the value of. So in this case, the test score from here all up to B number 6. Alright, so once we did that, we type in comma, and then we need the K value. So what's the K value? The K value indicates what value we want to figure out. Do we want the highest value? In that case, the number 1. That's the first value or the top value. So we do that, and then we do close parentheses, and then we type in enter. So now we have the highest value. But if you understand the K value, in this case, we can also adjust this to get the second highest value in here. So let's do this again. We type in large, open parentheses, we select again the list, comma, and in this case, instead of number 1, we type in number 2 for the second highest value, close parentheses, and enter. You can see here now we have number 99 from Sam. So let's do one more for the third. Type in large, open parentheses, select the list of values, close, comma, and then number 3, close parentheses, and enter. Now you can see we get here number 88. So what would happen if we adjust the numbers? Let's adjust the number from John from 100 to 55. And now you can see automatically the formula starts to shift, and number 99, Sam, is considered now the largest. And if we go down here, number 88, we adjust it to 11. You can see this adjusts automatically. And this is how you can use the large function in Excel.